Hello. This guide will show you how to create a conflict rule for a configurator product. It's intended just as a high-level overview and will cover enough to get you started. Conflict rules allow you to restrict what products can be configured with other products or to enforce that if a buyer selects product A, then they must also select product B. In today's demo, we'll be applying a rule to the desk product we made in the Create a Configurator demo. We've heard from some of our buyers that the desk with the bamboo surface is failing with the underdesk tray. Until we figure out a permanent solution, let's go ahead and create a conflict rule that restricts the selection of the tray if either of the two bamboo surfaces are selected. Okay, let's get started. If you haven't already, go ahead and click on the Conflict Resolution tab. Conflict rules are created globally, but can be assigned to one or more configurator products at your discretion. To create a rule, click the Create Rule button in the top right part of the screen. A Create Rule modal now appears. For our purpose now, we'll go ahead and leave the rule type at its default setting, which will create an incompatible rule. Let's look for the tray that's causing all the problems for item A. Products will change as you type, and when you see the product you're looking for, simply click it. Okay, we've identified item A, and now we need to provide one or more conflicting items. Since we know it's the bamboo surfaces, we'll type bamboo and find both surfaces. You'll notice that both bamboo surfaces appear. We'll select the first one. Then we'll type bamboo again and only the second one appears, and we'll select it. Notes are optional but can aid you at a later date in finding a specific rule. We'll go ahead and enter one. Now let's click the Create Rules button. Okay, the conflict rule is now created, but we need to assign it to our desk product. First, we'll find it in the list and check it. Then we'll click the black Assign Rules button. We can either use the search bar to find the desk product, but since it's the only one in an active status, it automatically appears. Let's go ahead and check it and then click the black Assign All Selected Rules to All Selected Products button. Great. At this point, the conflict rule has been assigned to the desk product. While this isn't necessary for the conflict rule to take effect, let's go take a look at the desk product and see how it fits in there. As you can see, the desk product has the conflict rule we just created and assigned to it. Let's see it in action by viewing the actual desk product your buyers see. Scroll to the top and click the Preview button. We created a conflict rule that disables the under tray desk if either bamboo surface has been selected. Let's select a bamboo surface and scroll down to the cable management area. You can see that the under desk cable tray is not available with an explanation as to why. Let's scroll back up and select a non-bamboo surface and then come back and see if it's now available for selection. As you can see, the conflict rule worked perfectly. This concludes the Create a Conflict Rule guide.